go. Are we here? Woo. I think I'm back. Can anybody send me a hey, just kind of telling me if I'm still on? Am I on? Am I on? Okay, here we go. Yes. Hi everybody, can you see me still? Not on Amazon? Can you see me on Amazon now? I should be on. Hello. Sorry about that, guys. Power went off. So sorry. So there's going to be a little lull. Can you guys see me? Hello. If someone could send me a message on Amazon, that would be awesome. Okay, it looks like I'm getting viewers. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. Power down. Not sure what happened. I don't know if I'm on anywhere else, but I still went ahead and kept slicing because I wanted to make sure and finish this. I knew the power would be back. So the slicing and dicing has already happened. Here we go. That is the fresh pasta salad. I'm gonna try and put this way and hurry this up before the power goes off again. I hope I am still on everywhere. So I went ahead and sliced my grapes, just like that. I sliced my radishes. This is gonna bring a little pepperiness to this beautiful dish. I was finishing up my cucumber, as you guys saw. Now I'm gonna finish my dressing. Let's hurry this up, just in case. So I'm back to my dry ingredients with my apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna crack a little bit more salt in here. And then I'm gonna put some more over here into the actual bowl. I'm trying to rush this, oh my gosh. Not sure what's happening with my power. I apologize, guys. But hopefully when I upload it, it'll just be like down and then comes back up. It won't be like a giant lull. So pepper, salt. Now for the dress, I'm gonna drizzle some of that beautiful Truly right into the bowl. That was about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna give that a big whisk, emulsifying everything. And like I said, you can put this on the side so people can just drizzle that right over the top, giving it an elevation, if you will. Now, that dress has been finalized right there. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Can you guys see that? Oh, so pretty. And it smells incredible. Like I literally do not, I'm gonna taste it anyway, but I literally do not even have to taste it because I already know that it's gorgeous. And I was right. It's freaking amazing. Can you say that on Amazon? Okay, now we're gonna drizzle our feta. Just cut that right up with our fingers, just like that. And I'm actually just gonna go over the pasta with this. I know it sounds crazy, but when I think about plating, this is the way that I do it, you know? I like to make sure that all the flavors are there, the presentation is there. So when I put this down on the table, people will look at it and go, ooh, you know what I mean? So that's why I do it this way. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna use the big spoon for this. Now I'm gonna drizzle that dressing over the top, really hitting all those points. Again, making a visual of what I'm presenting here. So when people see it, they're like, okay, I don't need anything else on this. Let me just try this. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Now, just gonna grab one basil leaf and I'm just gonna tear that right into the salad. Again, adding some more herbaceous flavor. And then you have an inclusion of dry and fresh ingredients, which is really amazing. I can't believe my power went off. I am so sorry, guys. I was really on a roll there. And actually, I am gonna get some more basil because as soon as I start ripping this up and putting it in there, the smell of the olive oil with the basil, it's intoxicating is what it is. I don't know how else to describe it. Okay, so we're done. There it is. There is a gorgeous fresh pasta salad. So that when you serve this to your family, like I said, you can add some shrimp, you can add some steak, you can add some chicken on the top of that, and they can just toss that all together themselves. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it smells and tastes amazing. So I'm gonna go on ahead and photograph this. I'm gonna upload all these videos onto my YouTube channel, so in case you missed anything, you can just go check it out. It's Chef Anita Cooks 1 on YouTube, but definitely it'll be here on Amazon Live, on Amazon. I'll upload it here. Fingers crossed, nothing happened to this video where I won't be able to upload it, but I am gonna photograph this and then I'm gonna go eat because this smells incredible. I'm gonna be back next month with another beautiful recipe for you, and fingers crossed, the power will stay where it's supposed to. I don't know what just happened there. I tell you, lives, it's always something. But thank you so much for joining me today. If you hit that subscribe button today, if you went through on the bottom here and checked out all these beautiful olive oils and ingredients, thank you so much. You definitely want to try this. They come available on Amazon, straight to your door, beautifully packaged in these flavor lock seal boxes. You guys know, these are my best friends. They go everywhere with me. So I'll see you guys very soon. I hope you enjoyed this live, even with the drama. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao.